We got some dirt on the lens. Hi, is that better? How you doing? Hi. Okay, what's up and good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in today. The topic of today's video is we're gonna be covering the top 3 best mods that you need to do if you have a 2014 to 2019 Chevy or GMC half-ton pickup truck. Obviously for this channel, you guys know it's my 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 coin Tony stock. Let's get into those 3 things that all of you need to do. If you haven't done them yet, I don't know what you're doing. Let's get into it. The first modification, and not even really a modification, but an addition that you're gonna wanna do when hauling a trailer is to have the properly rated trailer hitch. In our case, we are using I think it's a Husky brand. It came with my trailer. It's a little dirty, but it is properly adjusted and ready to go. It is a load leveler, so you got your 2 hitch positions that will go into these 2 pockets here, but that is gonna be our first definite anytime that you tow with any half-ton truck or even 3/4 ton truck, is make sure you have the properly weighted hitch, because there are so many different hitches out there for so many different weight ratings. You want to make sure you have the right one for your trailer. And modification 2 of something that you definitely need on these GM trucks is going to be the GM tow mirrors. These things are beasts. They look not only do they look so much better, but the clear view difference between these tow mirrors on the truck now to the factory smaller size is night and day. Obviously with the extension, you can see around your trailer depending on its width. And then you have the convex mirror on the bottom so that you can really see into that lane next to you. Really helps when you're changing lanes, driving in traffic, or even just trying to maneuver within your campsite. The third modification that you need, that you absolutely need, really you need this modification to prevent the biggest complaint about these trucks and SUVs, is you need to go out right now. You need to pick up the Mishimoto transmission cooler. This transmission cooler, honestly, I've had it on the truck for like 2.5 years, guys, almost 3 years in fact, and it has kept the transmission so much cooler. I don't know why GM thinks that these transmissions need to run at 195 degrees or higher. No transmission wants to run that hot. So again, go out, get yourself a transmission cooler, and especially for these ones, you need to get the thermostat delete. The Mishimoto transmission cooler does come with that in the kit, but I know there are some universal transmission coolers that you can use that will not come with that. So make sure you get one of those. I'll have them linked in the description on the ones that I used, and I'll also link the video in the description of us installing this transmission cooler. Thank you for tuning in today, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and tap that subscribe button so you don't miss any further uploads. You can go over to Instagram and find me at The Bearded Tortilla, and that way you can keep in touch with a few more behind the scenes and a little bit more going on. I'm a little more active over there. And with that, I'm gonna close out this video and go camping with my family. So I'll see you guys next time.